Hey guys, welcome to part 6 of the Gravity Endless Devlog Series. Today I have some music and sound effects to show you, as well as some other things that we'll get to later. So, here we go. So, this is a gravity switching sound, as you can see here. That is the collision sound. This is the jumping sound. And then when you fall down, it's the falling sound. They're kind of similar. So, I'll show you some of the code for that. This is the song code here. It just has the notes and their durations, along some rests, and then this is just the arrangement of the song. And then I also worked on some sound effects. So this function here will play a sound effect, basically. It will have a start frequency and an end frequency and a duration, and you can see the volumes here, the volume stuff here. So basically smoothly plays the sound effect based on what you give it and the duration. So this is some of that code here. I'm gonna explain all of it. And this one will stop a sound effect. Again, basically just fades the sound effect out. It's a little more complex than that, but that's not really inside the scope of this video. And then I also started working on some buttons. So yeah, the buttons have a bunch of different colors, which I need to figure out how I'm gonna do that with drawing. And then it has a state. This is the change state method. It will change the state based off of on the mouse movement. Also, I called it fake mouse because I was working with a fake mouse class earlier, and then I realized I was overcomplicating stuff. I just never renamed this, and I probably never will. This function creates a button. This is just for testing when I get to that. This function will destroy buttons. Again, I have to figure out stuff with different stages of the game, because the reason why I'm doing buttons is so I can create the title screen, and that will be a different section of the game than obviously the main part of the game you see now. And then I also have this main class, which I decided just to do for simplicity, so I didn't have to duplicate logic, but I didn't really want the UI elements inheriting from the game object class for the objects. So now the game object class inherits from main and then adds to it stuff that the objects would need. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye.